Hi everyone, have you ever imagined what a combination of chalkboard chalk and artists could create? Today, we're going to open the door to a strange world where the creativity of chalkboard chalk meets artistic talent. What will happen when these two seemingly unrelated worlds collide? Let's explore together in this video. And this is the channel, Weird Comparison. Chapter 1. Chalk. 1. The rise of chalk. Chalk was invented by the ancient Egyptians around 4,000 years ago. Chalk is not just an office tool, it is a living painting on the blackboard of life. Faced with simplicity, we will explore the countless creative applications that chalk brings. In the early days of learning, it is the first companion that helps us express our ideas and start the learning adventure. 2. Creative applications of chalk. Not only used in teaching, chalk has become a tool of imagination. We will delve into these special applications and learn how it has changed the way we interact with information. Each stroke, each letter is a story in itself, telling the power of expression of chalk. 3. Popularity and influence of chalk. From painting to education, chalk has become a symbol of creativity and social interaction. In this chapter, we will explore its widespread popularity and how chalk has influenced both society and culture. Each dot, each idea, marks the strong presence of chalk in everyday life. Examples of chalk's use in popular culture. In the movie, The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy is transported to Oz by stepping on a pair of glass shoes drawn with chalk. In the television show, The Simpsons, the character Bart Simpson often uses chalk to draw naughty pictures on the blackboard. Chalk is a simple material with a variety of applications. Chalk can be used to create creative works of art, convey meaningful messages, and preserve memorable memories. Chapter 2. The creativity of artists. From painting to sculpture, artists create unique works that express their own artistic language. We will step into a world full of color and shape, and see the power of creativity and how each work of art can have a profound impact on the soul of the viewer. 1. Diversity. Artists can be anyone, from children to adults, from ordinary people to celebrities. They can be professional artists or simply art lovers. And they can create many different types of art, including painting, sculpture, music, literature, and film. Just as long as you have a dreamy soul and a love of beauty, you have already taken one step into the field of art. 2. Creativity. Artists use their imagination and creativity to create unique and meaningful works of art. They can convey meaningful messages through their artwork. And artists can influence the emotions and thoughts of viewers of their artwork. A typical example is Leonardo da Vinci, a symbol of art and even technology that transcends time. 3. Art environment. Art does not only exist in paintings and works, it is an environment, a community. From galleries to art events, the art environment is a place where creative souls and art enthusiasts gather. And it can provide artists with inspiration and support to create their artwork. Sometimes the life around us is also an endless source of inspiration that artists want to explore. In conclusion, artists are important people in society. They are the ones who create works of art with high aesthetic and spiritual value. The art of artists can bring joy, relaxation, and deep reflections to the viewer. Chapter 3. The harmony of chalk and artists. Chalk and artists have a close relationship with each other. Both are symbols of creativity and intelligence. In this chapter, we will explore the similarities between chalk and artists. 1. Creativity is the golden key. Both chalk and artists need creativity to create beautiful and meaningful works. Chalk can be used to create many unique artistic effects, requiring the creativity of the artist. Artists use their imagination and creativity to create unique and iconic works of art. 2. Color is a distinctive feature. Color is an important element in both chalk and art. Chalk comes in many different colors, which can be used to create colorful and vibrant works of art. Artists use color to convey emotions and meaning in their artworks. For example, yellow. Happiness, joy, energy, wisdom. Pink. Femininity, love, romance, sweetness. Black. Power, mystery, luxury, mysticism. White. Purity, simplicity, cleanliness, perfection. 3. Art and message. By combining the power of chalk and creative thinking, artists explore how messages can be communicated more powerfully. This combination is not only a meeting, but also a bridge between two opposing worlds, bringing richness and uniqueness to both art and information presentation. Artists have used chalk to create unique and iconic works of art. And you know what? My favorite is the works created by the hands of teachers and students in the classroom. Filled with love and beauty of education. Therefore, chalk and artists have a close relationship with each other. Both are symbols of creativity and intelligence. Chalk can be used to create creative and meaningful works of art, and artists can use chalk to express themselves and convey meaningful messages. Chapter 4. The Interplay and Differences. 1. Usage. Chalk is a rudimentary material, while artists can use a variety of materials, including paint, watercolor, pencil, and even natural materials. Chalk is often used to write or draw on a blackboard, while artists can use a variety of surfaces, including paper, fabric, watercolor, and even 3D surfaces. 2. Purpose and target audience. Chalk is often used for educational or informational purposes, while artists can use their work to convey meaningful messages or simply to express themselves. Chalk is often used by teachers, students, and office workers, while artists can be anyone, from children to adults, from ordinary people to celebrities. 3. Application. Chalk is often used to create simple and quick works of art, while artists can take a long time and effort to complete their work. Chalk is often used to create temporary works of art, while artists can create works of art with lasting value. Therefore, chalk and artists have a close relationship with each other, but both also have their differences. Chalk is a simple material that can be used to create creative and meaningful works of art. Artists are people with the ability to be creative and express themselves through art. In conclusion, the meeting between chalk and artists is a unique combination of two opposing worlds. This interplay is not only an inspiration, but also a step towards richness and diversity. Let's continue to accompany and explore more new things on our artistic journey. Thank you for accompanying Weird Comparison. See you soon.